36-dimensional spaces. 14-dimensional space, the information retention space. It is the space where the information will stay without diffusion in a short time. Any motion of the matters will leave the information that will not disappear in a short time behind them. All the matters are just like the photographic films, able to record correctly what has happened around them. The information retention space refers to the space which is able to show what has happened. Some police dogs can trace the whereabouts of the people by following the smell they have left days or even months ago. The people with the Buddha eyes can, according to the retained information left by the object's movement, show what happened, for instance, 10 years ago. For example, the room has been the venue of the murdering cases, how it happened, and who the murderer was. 15-dimensional space, the super time world. It is a space where the people can get rid of the time constraint, follow the time numerical axis and see what will happen or what has happened in a certain place in the future or in the past. For instance, the scenes in the beginnings of universe origin, human origin and life origin, the scenes where the dinosaurs were dominating the earth, the scenes of Adam and Eve living in the Eden, the scenes of the Great Flood and Noah's time, or the life scenes when the earth is controlled by the biorobots in the future. 16-dimensional space, the macro world. The big universe is the macro world. For the people living in the macro world, the Earth universe where we are is just a particle, the solar system is simply a molecule, the sun is the nucleus, the Earth, the Mercury, the Mars and other 6 planets are just the electrons revolving around the nucleus. 17-dimensional space, the time tunnel. The time network composed of the negative and positive time and dotted the universe space is called the time tunnel. The time tunnel runs through all tangible objects. Each celestial body has its own time tunnel and each person has it, too. Once entering the time tunnel, the time no longer goes ahead like the ticking clock. Instead, the time is fixed and static. It is not like the calendar watch showing the past and future. Instead, the time has become the numerical axis with the 2 ends extending limitlessly. You can choose to live on any point. For example, you can choose to live in the times of dinosaurs, or live in the era when the current human order has been changed to experience the life at that time. 18-dimensional space, the space tunnel. The passage connecting the 36-dimensional spaces is called the space tunnel. For instance, after the flesh body dies in the mortal world, the spiritual body has to pass the space tunnel first before it enters the upper worlds, such as the 1000-year world, or the lower world, such as the animal world. If the angels from the heaven world go to the mortal world for inspection, they have to pass the space tunnel before reaching the mortal world. All the materials in the space tunnel are the antimatters. All the antimatters in the space tunnel move at the rate of the negative universe speed. All the space tunnels pass by the 3-world 2-way continent in the Elysium world. That is to say, the 3-world 2-way continent is the hub of all the space tunnels. The above-mentioned 18-dimensional worlds all are related to the humans. They are the middle worlds of the life activities. When the human science reaches a certain level, they will have sufficient ability to enter either of the above spaces with the help of instruments. The following 18-dimensional worlds will be the spaces which can never be reached by science. The major target of Lifechanyuan is to guide the people to the higher spaces of life. So I will focus on describing and explaining the 1000-year world, 10,000-year world and the Elysium world.